As a senior ready to graduate at the end of the semester, I've begun looking back and reminiscing on all the great memories I have made throughout my college experience. There are so many mixed emotions I am feeling as this chapter of life nears end. As anxious as I have become to enter the real world, it still saddens me knowing the most prized 4 years of my life are just a few months away from being over. I have learned so many valuable life lessons, developed countless relationships, and obtained lots of useful knowledge during this great process. As I prepare to end this stage of my life, I'm extremely motivated and determined to tackle the next challenges that wait. As heartwarming as these memories make me feel, I'll always remember the battle it took to make this all happen. During the middle of my senior year of high school, life threw me a major curveball. In late 2010, as college discussions were arising, both of my parents lost their jobs in the same month due to cutbacks in their fields. Sadly, this made me the only person in my house working, with only just a part-time job in retail. I did not know much about college in general, nor would I believe it would even be affordable at this point. Without any understanding or guidance, I slowly began giving up on school and shifting my priorities elsewhere. I started working nearly double my normal hours per week to earn as much money as possible. Continuously, I found myself skipping school to work or even just to catch up on sleep. My grades, which had always been good, noticeably started to decline. It's only my senior year, I thought. Maybe I'll attend community college later, whenever I'm ready to commit. My focus was drifting away from the most valuable possession I could ever obtain, my education. One day in mid-January, everything changed. After overhearing several joyful stories of colleges my classmates were accepted to, I woke up with a new mission on my mind. I would no longer let the uncertainty of attending college get the best of me. I began eagerly setting up meetings with different counselors and advisors throughout my high school to further explore my existing options. On the following Monday afternoon, I was called to meet a volunteer counselor named Jack Zorski, a specialist in college admissions. During that meeting, Mr. Zorski outlined a program that forever changed my outlook of college. It was called the Educational Opportunity Fund, or EOF for short. This gave suitable students with financial hardships an opportunity to attend college. I became aware that I was qualified for this program. After learning the academic requirements I needed to fulfill the program, I stayed determined in accomplishing everything it took. I finally found my vision and path again, and it was stronger than ever. I truly understood the great opportunity that lied in front of me. After leaving his office that day, I promised myself that there would be nothing that could turn me back. I began by researching Stockton's background and looking for any available tour dates of the school that I could attend. In the upcoming weeks, there were 2 tours of Stockton, and I attended both of them. By this point, I had entered such a focused zone that I even arrived each an hour early to meet up with different Stockton staff and learn as much as I could about the university. When returning home that night, I applied and was later accepted to Stockton. After obtaining the acceptance letter, I became determined to finish my senior year the best I could. At the end of June 2011, I graduated high school and could not wait to see what was in store for me at Stockton. Since being admitted to Stockton, I've had so many wonderful experiences and learned more than I could have ever imagined. With hard work and a strong work ethic, I was able to maintain high grades. Thankfully, I've reached the dean's list for the majority of my semesters at Stockton and also took part in many extracurricular activities on campus. I recently got a marketing internship this spring, and I'm looking forward to pursue a marketing career once I graduate. This story is not solely intended to serve as a troubled experience I had faced. Rather, it reflects some of the most valuable lessons I have learned and plan to use as motivation in the next stages of my life, taking initiative and the meaning of opportunity. This experience truly has made me value the importance of keeping a strong focus and remaining determined. My life could have very easily drifted away from me if I had sat back and not took the initiative to push forward. As I plan to enter the real world, I look forward to the challenges that wait, and I am motivated to do whatever it takes to drive through those obstacles.